Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly autofit all column widths in Excel with a single double click. This completely eliminates hashtag errors and truncated text without requiring you to manually drag every single column line one by one. First, open your spreadsheet and look at the very top left corner of the grid, right where the row numbers and column letters meet. Click the Select All button. It is the small triangle icon sitting directly above row 1 and to the left of column A. This highlights every single cell, row, and column across your entire worksheet simultaneously. Next, move your mouse pointer up to the column headers and hover over the vertical line separating column A and column B, or any two column letters. Your mouse cursor will change from a white cross into a black, two-headed arrow pointing left and right. With that cursor visible, double-click your left mouse button. Excel will instantly scan every column in your sheet and expand or contract the width to perfectly match the longest text string in each individual column. If you want to achieve the exact same result using only your keyboard to keep your hands on the home row, you can use a lightning-fast keyboard shortcut sequence. Press Ctrl+A to select your entire sheet. Then, press the following keys sequentially, one after the other. Alt, then H, then O, then I. This triggers the Home ribbon, opens the Format menu, and executes the Auto-Fit Column Width command completely hands-free. And that's it! Your spreadsheet data is now perfectly visible and readable in under 2 seconds. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.